Hi, my name is Kristen Yin, and this is my 112 term project. So for my project, I made Pokemon Tower Defense, and this is my intro. Just like the original game, I start with talking to Professor Oak. So eventually, I get my first Pokemon, and here you get to choose which Pokemon you would like as your starter. So I will choose Bulbasaur. And in order to build your towers, you first click on the name in the menu of your Pokemon, and then you can choose to build it wherever that has the white square, which indicates that's buildable. So this is the play button, and this is the pause button, and these help you keep track of the wave enemies or control them. And if you ever forget any buttons, you can scroll over to the help and all the instructions will show. So now we will continue. And as you can see, the bullets shooting from Bulbasaur is a little leaf-like object. And this is because Bulbasaur's element is grass type. So depending on the Pokemon element, the bullet will also show different pictures. And as you can notice, when Bulbasaur hits a water type, it will actually kill it faster compared to a fire type, which it will kill slower. And that is because, just like the actual Pokemon game, my game also takes account of types and how different types interact with each other and how some are more effective than others. This game is also just like any other tower defense game set so that the longer you play, the enemies will also have higher stats as well as higher speed. I'm going to pause for a bit right now because I'm going to die. This is the money that I have, and just like any other tower defense, I can buy stuff from the Pokemart or a mart. So I'm going to click on the Pokemart and I'm going to get a Pokeball because I actually need to catch my towers or my Pokemon in this game. I'm going to buy 2. And to use them, I go to bag and then click on Pokeball. And as long as I click in the Pokemon, I will be able to, or attempt to catch them. There's a chance calculated in this. There's a catch rate, so, and that is calculated with some components of randomness as well as how much HP the enemy has. And now I will demonstrate how you can evolve. So in the actual game, Charmander's evolution level is 16, so in here I can evolve him as well since my level is over 16. But I can't evolve him anymore because Charmeleon evolves at 36. But unlike Charmander, Pikachu evolves with a stone, so I can actually buy that right now. So I'm going to buy Thunderstone. Oh, but I don't have enough money. So I will have to wait for a bit. Okay, so now I actually have enough money to buy a Thunderstone. And I'll go ahead and buy that. And I go to bag and use it, and then I select Pikachu. So yay, now we have a Raichu. As you notice, Raichu's radius is a lot bigger now. And the advantages of evolving includes higher stats, attack stats, as well as a bigger radius and faster bullets. You can also release any Pokemon by clicking release button on the menu bar. And just to show what happens when you die, this screen pops up and it tells you what wave you were on the last, and you can choose to restart, and that will bring you back to the intro page. Well, that is all for my project, and thank you for watching.